In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account in Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is the command center for your Facebook pages, Instagram profiles, and ad accounts, letting you manage content, messages, and campaigns in one place. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. In the results, choose the official Meta site that leads to the Business Suite. Once it loads, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram account, ideally the one connected to your business presence. If your business uses roles, make sure you have the right permissions before you continue. From the main dashboard, look for the Settings option, typically the gear icon on the left. Click it, and in the left-hand menu, select Accounts. This is where you'll connect pages, ad accounts, and Instagram. To add a Facebook page, choose Pages. Click the plus Add button. You'll see three choices: add an existing Facebook page, create a new Facebook page, or request shared access. Pick the path that fits your situation, adding an existing page if you own it, creating a new one if you're starting fresh, or requesting access if someone else owns the page. Enter the page name or URL and follow the prompts to confirm. Depending on your selection, you may be asked to verify your ownership or send a request to the current page admin. Next, for ad accounts, click Add Accounts under Accounts, then click Plus Add. Again, you'll have options. Create a new ad account, add an ad account by entering the account ID, or request to share one from another business. Carefully set your currency and time zone during setup, as these may be locked after creation. Add your payment details if prompted, and make sure they match your business information to avoid billing issues. To connect Instagram, go back to Accounts and choose Instagram Accounts. Click Plus Add, review the terms, then click Add Instagram Account. A secure login window will appear. Sign in to your Instagram account to complete the link. If your Instagram is already connected to a Facebook page in the same business suite, it may link quickly after you approve the connection. That's it. You've added your assets to Meta Business Suite and can now manage them from one dashboard. Take a moment to confirm each item appears under Accounts. With everything connected, you're ready to schedule posts, respond to messages, and run ads with confidence.